The Cybersecurity Maturity Model Certification, CMMC, is a framework developed by the U.S. Department of War to assess and enhance the cybersecurity posture of contractors and suppliers in the defense industrial base. It ensures that organizations handling sensitive unclassified information, such as Control Unclassified Information, CUI, and Federal Contract Information, FCI, meet specific cybersecurity standards to protect against data breaches and cyber threats. CMMC integrates existing standards like NIST SP 800-171 and adds a certification process to verify compliance, critical for Department of War contracts. The purpose of CMMC is to protect sensitive Department of War data by enforcing robust cybersecurity practices across the supply chain, replacing self-assessments with third-party audits. CMMC 2.0 has 3 levels. Level 1, 17 basic practices, access control, authentication for FCI, where a direct Advance2000 assessment is allowed. Level 2, 110, practices aligned with NIST SP 800-171 for CUI, requires certified third-party assessment organization, C3PAO, certification for critical programs with direct Advance2000 assessment permitted for others. Level 3, 110 plus practices NIST SP 800-171 plus advanced measures, Department of War-led assessment for high-priority programs. Organizations undergo audits by C3PAOs or, for Level 3, Department of War assessors. Certifications are valid for 3 years, with annual affirmations required for Level 2 self-assessments. As of October 2025, CMMC 2.0 is in the rulemaking phase, with full enforcement expected in contracts. This becomes binding in 2026. Some DoD solicitations already require Level 1 to 2 compliance. CMMC 2.0 covers 14 domains: access control, incident response, security assessment, derived from NIST SP 800-171 and 853. Each level builds on the previous, requiring increasing sophistication. Level 1, Foundational, Basic Cyber Hygiene. Level 2, Advanced, Protecting CUI with NIST SP 800-171. Level 3, Expert, Advanced Threat Protection. CMMC is mandatory for all Department of War contractors handling FCI and CUI, which includes over 80,000 organizations, including small businesses. Non-compliance means losing eligibility for Department of War contracts. The Advance2000 Cybersecurity Maturity Model Certification Audit is a formal assessment of your organization's cybersecurity practices to determine whether it meets the framework requirements developed by the U.S. Department of War to protect sensitive unclassified information shared with contractors and subcontractors. Key features of the Advance2000 CMMC audit is a comprehensive assessment against the specified standards to assess your current cybersecurity measures. Our audit covers all aspects of your business cybersecurity, from network security to data protection and regulatory compliance, to ensure that your business is compliant with all relevant industry standards and regulations. Reach out to us today to set up your CMMC audit to ensure that your firm can continue to support the Department of War and other government agencies and maintain compliance with the required cybersecurity standards. Thank you for watching.